So, okay. While I wait for W place to load, we'll talk about that later whenever it does actually like load. Hopefully, maybe, I don't know. Anyway, so okay, I saw a TikTok, okay, and I want to I want to pull it up, okay. I want to pull up the TikTok because I want to do it myself, okay. So here's what we're gonna do, okay. Do me a favor. Do not don't mind this isn't the TikTok.
Oh, you dumb wolf. I want you to show.
Here is a little peek.
This wasn't the TikTok that I wanted, but I saw that I put it in my favorites, and I'm like, I gotta. If you recognize all these characters, you're a certified freak. So Toby, you're a certified freak. You recognize all of these characters. I know what you are. I know what you are. Anyway, that wasn't the TikTok that I want to talk. I was this one.
Take a fourth grade math test where if you get 90% on it, you get $100,000. But if you don't get 90%, you die.
I'm gonna take a fourth grade math test and we're gonna see if I can pass.
I don't want to die.
A fourth grade math test where
I want to do a fourth grade math test. I saw that TikTok and I'm like, okay, if I get over a 90%, I get $100,000. If I get anything less than that, then I die. I need to see it. I need to do it myself. So I want to pull up a fourth grade math test. I want to do one so bad. I'm like, I need to do it, okay? I need to do it. Oh my god, why is this so many pages? What the fuck? Okay. Okay. I think maybe. Okay, I think we can do this one. Hold on. I wonder if I can download it and like fucking edit it in Word. Do you want a lot of money or do you want to die? Remember when you gave us an algebra test? I remember that. I remember that. Don't worry. I remember that. Khan Academy. Unit 1? No. I gotta find like an online like math test. Take a full test. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, wait. If I do like this, right? Okay, so there's like 50 questions in it. Oh my god. It's over. So this is a fourth grade math test, okay? That is not fourth grade, by the way. I'm still mad I couldn't submit my algebra test. It's because you're a slow piece of shit. What the fuck do you want me to say, man? You're a slow piece of shit. We should have you shot dead. What do you want me to say, man? Not my fault. You're a slow piece of shit. Hold on. Google Store. Remember to feed the mods. The mods don't get fed. I'm afraid. The mods the mod the mods don't get fed, okay? This is how we found out you're retarded. No, if I fail this, unironically, if I fail this, I think I'd actually like genuinely like want to kill myself. Like look, if I fail a test, like look, I simply I refuse. I refuse to fail this shit. I do not want. I do not. All the mods are sniffing Panky's farts. Oh my god. What the fuck does that mean? Are you smarter than a VTuber? I need to do this, man. I need to do this, okay? Educator, not sign up for a student non-educator account? Can I sign in with Google? How to sign in for this, bro? What is this shit? Your account already exists. Okay. Sick. Can I use it? There we go. Not that one. I want to do you like right here. Hold on. Are you smarter than an average Twitch streamer? We're gonna find out. We're gonna have to find out for sure. We're gonna have to find out. We are not Panky. Yeah you are, buddy. Lock in. Okay, so here's what we're doing. Okay. Here's what we're gonna do. Okay. So I found a practice test. Okay. So I found a practice test. Okay. It is the NESA, Nebraska State Accountability Grade 4 Mathematics Practice Test, okay? It's about 16 pages, okay? I think we can do this easily, okay? So I'm going to write my name right here, okay? So Panky, okay. Boom. Right there. Awesome. Sick. Hydrate. 5 redeemed hydrate. All right. We'll see how good these guys are. Which clock shows 3:42? I don't know if this is very math related. That's not. I don't know if that's very math. That's not math, is it? Do you remember how to read a clock? Well, it's D because the shorthand is pointing to 3, but in between 3 and 4, and that's at 42 right there. So it's D, obviously. Not a doubt in my mind. Okay. Use the table below to answer the question. Okay. A student in the 4th grade class voted for their favorite sport. Which bar graph shows the result of the student's vote? So football, basketball. Okay. So this is supposed to be the graph. So football, basketball, soccer. Well, it's A. It's like I don't even need to look at anything else, I'm pretty sure. Number of students, because like what's the difference? Just like the amount here? Wait, what? Sport? Just joined? What's happening? I'm doing a 4th grade math test, okay? And if I get anything less than a 90% on this, then I'm gonna be taken out back and shot by my mods. So we have some pretty high stakes on the line right now. Am I retarded, or like which bar graph shows the results of the student's vote? Wait, what's the difference between these? Wait, what? You deserve to be shot for anything less than 100%. That's real, actually. Oh no, he's stupid. I'm not seeing the difference between these. Wait, what? Oh wait, no. Okay, it's slight difference. Okay. So that's 6. Wait, so that's wrong. That's 6 as well. That's wrong. I'm just like making sure. And that's wrong. Okay, so I was right. It is A. It was slight differences. Brother, it's D. It's not D! It's A! Cause that's 10. That's 5. That's 7. That's 2. Yep. Alright. We're back. We're so back. Okay. There are 16 students from Mr. Block's class at the library. The other 4 students in class are practicing math facts in the classroom. Which number sentence shows the total number of students in Mr. Block's class? 16 students in Mr. Block's class plus the other 4 students. What is it? Well, there's 16 students. The other 4 are in class practicing math facts. So it's A. Obviously, I was reading it to make sure it wasn't like a trick question where it's like there are 16 students but 4 of them are away, but it says the other 4 students. So the answer key's at the bottom. Yeah, it is. All right. Cody rides his bike to the park to meet a friend at noon. Cody arrives at the park at 11 a.m. Which question could be answered using this information? Wait, Cody rides his bike to the park to meet his friend at noon. Cody arrives at the park at 11 a.m. How long could Cody have to wait? Wait, which question can be answered using this information? So not A. How long could Cody have to wait for his friend? How long does Cody have to stay at the park? No. And then when will Cody leave home? No. So it's B, because how long could Cody have to wait for his friend? Which is an hour. obviously. Duh. Use the picture to answer the information. Which decimal number names the shaded part of the square? Wait, which decimal number? What? Okay, wait. So I assume this is out of 100, right? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So this is 100. It means that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Which means that this is 8% of it. Right there. Sick. I love it. This test is so bad. It doesn't test math skills at all. It's just testing reading comprehension. It's testing various math skills, okay? Like count all these scores and put in however many points is missing. The shaded part? Oh wait, the shaded part? Wait. The shade. All right. Well, I already answered it. So like okay. I missed one, but it's fine. I that's the only one I can miss. Look, fuck you, by the way. Which letter has a pair of parallel lines? What? This isn't a math question. What? What the fuck is Nebraska treating their kids? By the way. So not gonna be 100%. We're killing you? Well, no, it has to be 90% or better. Which number correctly completes the number sentence 80? Number sentence 80 times 34? Okay. Now I had to, okay. 80 times 34. Okay. So we do 4 times 0, which is 0. And then 8 times 4, which is 8, 16, 8, 16, 24, 32. 32. And then I think you do something like this, where you 3 times 0 is 0. 8, 16, 8, 16, 24. And then it's 2, 7, 20. Game's gone. This seems right. This seems right. I mean, like, I did the math. Like, this is like math that I like barely remember from like 4th grade of like how to do like the mental math bullshit where it's like you have to like write it down. I'm pretty sure that's right though. I'm pretty sure that's right. Cause like if I got it, then yeah. Don't even need to calculate. The multiple choice already reveals the only logical answer. Yeah. Okay. Use the table. Use the table to show the answer to the population. Which list of city populations order from least to greatest? Okay. So I have to go from least to greatest, okay? Which means that it starts in, so it starts with 27 from least to greatest. So boom. And then it's, okay, so it's C. Wonderful. I love it. Genuine question first. If I go into vids while being am I a bad boyfriend? Brother, can you like stop? Like, can we just like stop talking? Bro's dumb. I'm literally not dumb. 27, 980, 28, 207. Yeah, no, I'm not dumb. No, I got that right. Are you smarter than a 5th grader at home? If I get this wrong, I'm gonna kill myself, by the way. Like I got one question wrong so far, but that's it. Which number correctly completes the subtraction sentence 5.0 minus 3.25? That is 5 minus 3 is 2, so it's 1.75. Sick, I love it. What is the most appropriate metric unit for measuring the length of a spoon? Not you, not you. Centimeter. Centimeter. Why is Nebraska teaching this, by the way? It's centimeter, right? It's centimeter. Centimeter. I'm gonna say centimeter and move on. Which symbol correctly completes the number sentence 9 plus... Oh, wait, 9 plus 5. Okay, wait, okay, so you're... Okay, so it's... I had to, like, choose, like... Okay, I see. So it's... 14. And then what... And then that's 13. So it's... I have to do, So I think it's D. Where it's like... 14 is greater than or equal to. Yeah, so that's gonna be D. Which number correctly completes the division sentence 3,000 divided by 30? What's which number correctly? Well, it's like it goes into it 100 times, right? Yes, it goes into it 100 times because 100 times 30 is 3,000. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yep. What is the value of n in the equation 64 divided by n equals 8? That's what, it's 8, right? Because 8, 16, 24. Yeah, it's 8. Okay. Brother, that's a greater than or equal to sign. All 4 of those are wrong. It says greater than or equal to, which means that it still applies because it's greater than. You fucking retard. Is greater than or equal to that. Yeah, Bunny, are you retarded? We got some 3rd graders in chat. Which triangle has one obtuse angle? Chat, please give me a yes or no if I'm right, please. Please tell me I'm right. It's... I'm gonna move on and hope that that's right. Okay. A building is 36 feet high. What is the height of the building in yards? A building is 36 feet high. What's the height of the building in yards? Well, in yards, it's just like 36 times 3. So it's 30 times 3 is 90, plus 18 is 108. Yeah. The others are cute. Bunny, why are we arguing about this in chat? This is basic math. This is basic math. Brad draws a shape. Okay. Brad draws a shape on paper. The shape has 4 sides. It only has one pair of parallel sides. Okay, so it has 4 shapes and only one pair has parallel sides. Only has one pair. So it's not you guys. Trapezoids are boom, 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 boom. And then parallelograms are like this. Okay, so it's good. So it's gonna be a trapezoid because that only has one pair of parallel sides. Okay. We can just check the match test out the window and play some video games or something. I need to do this for myself because I need to show chat that I'm smart. Which circle is half shaded? That's C, obviously. Get out of here. Which coordinates shows 3, 5? So you walk to the tree before you climb it. So it's A. Verifying, yeah, it's A. Okay. Use the line plot to answer the question. Videos checked out by students. Wait, what? Mrs. West keeps track of the number of videos each student checks out from the library. How many students checks out more than 3 videos? What? More? Wait. How many students check out more than 3 videos? I see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry, guys. I almost fucked that up. Panky, you don't need proof to your intelligence. We know you're stupid. I'm trying. Sam will use one marker to color half the circles. What is the color of the marker Sam will use? Half the circles. So we have green, which is, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so it's, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so it's green. I was gonna like write it down and I realized like I can do a lot easier than that. Okay, Mrs. Anderson graphs your students' favorite colors in art class. The students paint a picture with their favorite color. All bottles of paint have the same amount to start with. Which two colors are likely to run out first? Orange and blue. Orange and blue. Duh. Which number sentence shows the commutative? Wait, what? The commutative property of multiplication? What? Commutative property is it's this one. I'm pretty sure it's D. I'm pretty sure it's D. Commutative property. I'm pretty sure it's the one where it's like the, no, that's distributive property. Commutative property? Fuck, what was the commutative property? No, because this was distributive property. Where it's like you do it like this, where like you have it like where you, oh. So it's not D. It's not C. Commutative property? It's A or B? Fuck! I'm gonna say A. I'm gonna say A. And move on with my life. Sarah has $56. She earns $19 more. How much money does she have? Well, it's 56 plus 19, which is 75. Use the number line to answer the question. Which point is located at 12 3/4? That's S. Duh. Okay. Reference sheet. Okay, so this is reference sheet. Okay. So nice. Okay. So okay. So now I have to go back. So now we have to go back, okay? And I have to go back and I have to go grade it, okay? So I'm gonna go put the, so here. I'm gonna take a screenshot of this, okay? And we're gonna go back, okay? And I'm gonna take a screenshot of the answer key, okay? And we're gonna go through and we're gonna go grade it together. Pretty sure you got a 91. I hope so. Oh, I hope so. I hope so. I hope so. I hope so. Okay. So okay. So number 1 was D. So that's correct. Okay. So we are here. Here's what I'm gonna do. Put you like right there. So I just need to make sure here. I'll put you right there for, I got it right. I'm getting the shotgun ready. No, you can't. Okay, so D is correct. A is correct for number 2. So it's number 3. So it's A and then B, right? A and then B. Sick. Okay. Okay. A, D. Okay, so I got C wrong, but I got that right. So I got this wrong because I answered it incorrectly because I'm dumb. But CBD, sick. DBD, it's infecting me. Oh my god, it's infecting me. Okay. B and D. B. Wait, what? Wait, 15? Wait. Oh my god, I got that wrong. Oh, I got that wrong. I did it reverse. I did it reverse. How many is it in yards? I was supposed to divide it by 3, not lock in. Okay, we're fine. Okay. D and C? D and C, I got that correct. Okay. A, got that correct. Okay. C, B. C, B. Okay. C, A. Boom. And then D and C. Now the question, did you guess the commutative properly? I did. Right? 22 was A. 22 was A, and I got that right. I did it. I did it. I'm so happy. All right. So I did the answers, okay? Everything I got correct except for number 5 and number 15, okay? 91.7. Yes! Yes! Was I one question off from failing and being shot in the head and having my brains blown out? Was I? Oh my god. We're so up. I did it. I did it. Let's go. Just barely. Look. Doesn't matter if I did it, okay? I did it. Yes! I'm so smart, man. I love it. I'm so smart. I'm the smartest to ever do it. Oh, fuck. Oh my god. I fucking did it, dude. Yes! Yes! Congrats on being an above average 4th grader. Congrats, you got the 90%. We're not killing you. However, we're taking your balls. Intelligence-based eugenics and Panky chat. This isn't you. One of them I got wrong because I wasn't reading. The other one I got wrong because I wasn't reading either. So I'd say that I did pretty good for someone that was kind of half reading it. Look, I did it, chat. I did it. Chat, I did it. I'm actually like the GOAT. I'm genuinely the GOAT. I'm actually just like the smartest person to ever do it. I don't know, man. I love it, dude. I'm so proud of myself. I'm so proud of myself, man. See, chat, I'm just like, see, chat, you guys should all like suck my dick and be like, Panky, you are the smartest fox ever. You are the cutest fox ever. We love you. We're gonna suck your cock dry. We're gonna empty your balls. I know. Panky, do my last math test. I'm good. I'm good, Divine. Divine, I'm perfectly fine. Now do a math test that actually requires calculating anything. Unironically, I think I would do better or just as good on an algebra test rather than a 4th grade practice test because I am more familiar with algebra and I remember more of it. Unironically, I think I could do better. Yes, because this one is nothing but reading comprehension. We're gonna empty your balls in a different way. What? 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 I like my balls personally. I would rather can I keep them at least for another day before you like get rid of them, please? Thank you. Your balls are getting crushed and juiced, mate. Yeah, it's over for me. I'm gonna kill myself.